we've spent the hour pumping you with information to hopefully get you ready should any wintry weather make its way to Delmarva. Now, let's go back in time to show you why that is so critical. Here to help with that is WBOC meteorologist Mike Lichniak. And Mike, where are you?
I'm taking advantage of this beautiful afternoon on Delmarva, and I just happen to be at the driving range right now. But, you know, I'm taking advantage of the fact that we're in the 50s right now. Let's all take advantage of the fact that we have such beautiful weather the next couple of days because, as we know, Mother Nature can turn very, very quickly.
Absolutely. So on that note, let's just call it Throwback Thursday and go back to the blizzard of 2018. That was like the perfect storm.
That was the perfect storm for us here on Delmarva. So I've come up with this coined phrase that nobody else is using except for me, and I call it the Delmarva sweet spot. So if we get an area of low pressure to develop in the right spot, just off the coast of the Carolinas, right around the Norfolk, Virginia Beach area, down towards, let's say, Hatteras, and it cuts a certain direction, you pull in all the cold air across Delmarva with a northerly breeze. That's exactly what happened with this storm. We trapped cold air in. We're stuck in the low 30s for the entirety of the storm. You couldn't turn any wind in off the Atlantic, so that's why we had such huge snow totals from that snowstorm. Remember, that was the snowstorm where if you lived out towards the midshore, you didn't see a whole lot of snow, but if you lived out towards the beach towns, you got buried in 12 to 18 inches of snow, and there were locally heavier amounts than that. I remember that storm because that was the first storm on Delmarva where I looked at the models and I was like, there's no way that all this snow is going to fall on the beaches. It always never happens this way.
And if I remember correctly, there was also wind that came after the storm, and we had some pretty high snow drifts.
That's exactly right. That was the other issue with this storm, was the fact that when we had the snow falling, it was that light powdery snow. So it wasn't necessarily sticking to the ground. And then the wind started howling. We had blizzard warnings at our area beach towns. So it made those 12 to 18 inches that we were reporting turn into 3-4 foot snow drifts. So it was very, very easy to miscalculate things. And then on top of that, the snow crews, the snow plows, everybody trying to get rid of the snow had a hard time getting rid of it because it would be drifting back and forth. So a guy would plow the parking lot somewhere, and then 10 minutes later, he'd be plowing it again because all the snow would have blown back onto the parking lot itself.
So let's go back about 8 years from that to the two blizzards we got back to back in 2010.
Right. That's known as Snowmageddon here on Delmarva because of the fact that it was so much snow in about a week's worth of time. The first one happened February 4th, February 5th of 2010, and that was the monster. That was the one that dropped anywhere between 10 and 25 inches of snow over the entirety of Delmarva. There was nobody left behind on that storm. And then you got a 3-day break, and then a second snowstorm came across Delmarva about the February 8-9 time frame, and everybody got another 8 to 16 inches from that storm. So in total, you had at least 1.5 feet of snow in your yard, and there were some places that had over 4 feet of snow. 4 feet of snow depth on Delmarva. That's a record, and we haven't seen that kind of snow in that long.
Yeah, I remember that well. Okay, so here's a question for you. Do you like the snow?
I do like the snow, and, you know, I have this reputation on TV as being the guy that poo-poos snow, or I'm the guy that treats snow like Voldemort from Harry Potter, where I do not say its name unless I absolutely have to on TV. But I do love the snow. I really want there to be one decent snowstorm here on Delmarva this season. We're 2 seasons since the blizzard of 2018. It's been a while since we've had a good one here on Delmarva. I'd love to see one this season.
And I tell you what, the best way to keep up to date with all the weather that's going on Delmarva, and I have it right here, of course, is the WBOC Weather App.
It's free for you folks, for your Apple and Android device. And the best part is, Lisa, when we give you the 7-day forecast on TV, whenever we update the forecast, as soon as we enter it into our computers, it automatically goes to your phone. So if you ever want the latest information on what's going to happen, that's the place to go first.
Yeah, and of course, when you bring it up, we see your face. WBOC meteorologist Mike Lichniak, thank you so much. And thank you for all of your forecasts, and hopefully we'll get that snow.
Hopefully we get that snow. Fingers crossed, Lisa.